Ha? Yan po si Bato. Living kasi ito. Pili sa kita. Okay, unang kabayan kami. O, sino yung una? Ako. Love baby.
Mahila pa mga rides nga tumamot. Yadi dito po siya. Ano naman ang bataan? Diyos ang kanda. You wanna ride? You want to ride?
Kain sa nila restaurant.
Ha?
Kat na. Oh, yun.
Bro! Naka-o.
Okay, Sunday sa kuman.
Sunday pa.
Family day.
Iyon magkuhan, family.
Okay, get your plate there.
Uy, lami ang ila.
Tabliya.
Pancake ang cake.
Mas lang po. May mga bata na sumalat na. Vegetable. Oops. Davao Eden. Oh, I like to take that.
Namasuna. Hindi ka mag-picture yung mga kahoy gani na bagko niya. Yaw ina bridge.
Hain.
Yung dito nga na.
Gaon na sa kaw. Wow! Tinilig, ikaw na sa mga ni. Oh, ikaw na sa mga ni, te. Si Jason. Let's go, Maraya. 1, 2, 3, go! Wow! Oh, fuck! I almost fell. Whoa! Amazing! Oh no! Heart. Young at heart forever.
Nice yun nga na yan sa bridge. Tapos nga di ka gani mag-picture sa ubos.
Oo.
Sunod pinalaong nimo na yaon. Makita yaon mga trees. Lola. Third row kayo po.
Whoop. Here's the shuttle.
Mario Reyes. Last row po, sir.
Sit na Maraya. You like in the front? There.
First row daw ta.
First row.
Kana.
Here at the first.
The first row. Kanang yung first row.
Oh, auntie.
Oh.
Ayun sa kilid si auntie.
Oo.
Side by
Natukol sa kilid.
There are Jurassic there.
No! You, sit.
So it's in the front. You Jason as well.
Jason. Jason.
At the front.
Francis. First row.
Ikaw, te.
Dili.
Okay, so hello po, good morning everyone. So I'm Jenny, your tour guide po, and Kuya Judy is our driver. And welcome to the Nature Park and Resort. So our tour po will take 45 minutes, maximum to 1 hour. And then we will have 3 stopovers po. So every stopovers, may 5 minutes po tayo. So fishing rods and baits are provided po. You may choose po if ipaload you po doon, may additional food charge po siya, or you will like out.
Oh, what's this?
Okay, in that side po, deer park. Philippine deer, or also known as Philippine brown deer po. Usaw in Bisaya now. On your far right side, Vista Cottages, good for 2. Perfect for lovers and honeymooners. Worth 4,440 per night, including breakfast na po. Okay, on your right side, Seminar Village. We have 2 halls, the Fern Hall and the Cypress Hall. And if you want to stay longer, we also have Beyond Your Rooms on that side. Okay, on the other side po, that's the part of the deer park. So actually po, we started only 1 pair of deer, but now we have almost 24 deer alive po. So they eat banana, leftover lettuce, grass, and feed. Hydro means water, ponic means working. So water working po siya. We use only coconut husk ground, form into powder to hold the roots down. So those are the leaf lettuce po.
Greenhouse.
And then we also have red salad bowl lettuce. So it takes 35 days po before harvest.
Organic siya.
Yes. And then we also have salad tomatoes. It takes 77 days naman po before harvest. So we serve it in a restaurant, and we also sell it din po 60 per pack, 500 grams. And if you want to buy sa supermarket sa downtown, just simply look for green about 3 hectares. And then the peak season of mangosteen po is August to September.
This month na. Starting. Oh,
Actually,
there.
nabunga na siya.
Yeah. There.
Pwede makita.
Wow! A lot of fruit. Green pa.
Ay, yung tataas na puno, those trees po, native durian trees. Ayun, may bunga na din siya. Native po. Okay, so now we are in Terrington Flower Garden. In this garden po, you can find local and imported flowers.
Wow.
Okay, so now we are here to our first stopover amphitheater po. So we have 5 to 6 minutes for picture taking.
Wow.
Waki-waki. 1, 2, 3.
Kay si tinining ha ini siya mo post eh.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
One.
Ako kaya na ako tuhod, may sakit na. Kato na ka mga to kay gwapo ho. Desisyon. Oh.
Nato, dito. Dito sa frame kamsun.
Buwan
Sa
na to.
frame na to. Ah, nagidong. Where's Mariah? Where's Mariah?
Ay, sunflower, rainbow din.
Sunflowers. Big Joseph Code. Wow.
Hinahinay lang kita.
O dito sa kuano may native bahay kubo. Oh, tribe house. Yeah, entrance man eh.
Kuda kanida. Makuha na sa nila, makuha na sa.
Ano?
Nani ang background nito?
Ah, yun yung bahay kubo.
Hindi ka magkudak.
Oh, nga di ka mo.
Kay makuha saya ang saya.
Dali. Siya na lang pa-picture na doon para group picture.
Ay, oh, kanang bahay kubo ako na native. Oh, if you want to explore here. Madayaw na pagkani.
Ay, ma'am, picture.
Ah, centener.
Dong diri dong
Wow.
din mga ini.
Kayo ma'am.
Ulo na di ako dong imo ra kan dong diri. Hayang kat mo.
Ako sa magsulo ka?
Spread dito.
Tag-isawa ng tato.
Tagisa tayo ng statue.
1, 2, 3. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3. Alikit yung mga ulan. 1,
Balay.
3. Okay.
Jollibee. That's the post here in I love Jollibee.
I love Charlie.
Bye-bye. Tinubdan.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, smile. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3, para sa kamay.
Mag-change din, bumibisita kami.
Sina Pili.
Sabay ka na mama. 1, 2, 3, nga nga. Anak ko nyo. Island, di ba? Ano nga pangalan?
Oo. Behind Davao City.
Kadaya, buyag.
I'm not pregnant.
Pregnant with what? With the food?
I'm just holding your...
One, two, smiling.
I'm not pregnant.
Pregnant with what? With the food?
I'm just holding your...
One, two, smiling.
No pregnant pose. No pregnant.
What's pregnant pose?
That. No, that's
You stomach in.
not a pregnant pose.
Okay, one, two, smiling, and
Ang bagyo, kaya yung landscape agriculture. Oo. Ngayon, pag magkakit yung aeroplano, makita mo yung walang rice field dito. Ang rice field sa sa Cotabato. Cotabato sa Davao.
When she was tala.
oh, I can't because I don't have any signal in the house. Maybe here I can download the picture you said. Because in Davao it's good signal. Oh, where's here? Oh, kita na lang. Go and
Basta kayo pumunta classmate yun ng high school.
thank you.
Okay, welcome here, Rima.
Okay, let's go out. Day tour center.
Ma'am sir, pagbaba po, pwedeng tignan yung mga picture doon, no? Previewing ang pictures po.
Let's check the picture.
Dito ma'am, okay yung pictures. Dito ma'am sa harap mo.
Sige, pagka-ano lang.
The same din dito?
Yes po.
Yeah, the president of the Philippines is from Davao. Okay, one, two, smile.
Yeah, it's good to know. Dito.
Okay, kids.
Where do you like?
What's patay?
I don't know. She said.
Picture siya, song solo.
Song solo. Hala, sige, join the fun. One, two, smile, and welcome to Bamboo.
Wait, wait.
Wait, there's more. It's a pine tree. Ah, it's good. The lighting is good. It's so high. Okay, and
Tita Ernie, sa zipline na daw tayo. Saan yung zipline?
I don't know.
I guess doon. Sa room.
Palabas na to eh, ang...
Di ba nakakawala?
Ay, nakakawala.
Oh, putik.
Saan? Ay, yung ano? Ano yan, tita?
Pwede at dito so.
Hi, sa. Blue crown pigeon. Skyline pigeon. Lah.
Everyday.
Sarado na ya. Tapos nga din na side.
Guapa.
Mangingisda. Mangingisda.
Wow.
Mangingisda. Mangingisda.
Wow. 1, 2. The fish and okay.
On the fish, a woman. Do excellent.
Can I take a photo? I'll Desa solo, desa pagalisan desa. You right there. Tanti Bibi will pay. Okay. It's a once experience in Davao. It's a different in Cebu and Munich. Okay, come on.
Hindi ba combo for one person?
Uyaw gani. Na kung one person pala.
Iba ni mahu 150.
Oo, tag 150 makatipid ka kung solo sab.
Lahat kay tandem.
For a safety. Oh, good luck. Oh no, it's okay. We could televise it. This is more adventurous. Yeah. Oh my God. Don't worry, it's fun. Yeah, you wave to the fans. Oh God, I wish I could also try. No, don't be afraid. You're the strongest.
John.
Oh, Mariah. Oh, there's a solo.
What?
There's a solo.
I want to.
Huh? It's a solo. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Jason, Mariah.
Oh my God.
Mariah.
Wow! Wow! I-video. Oo, ikaw ang mag-picture, te. Mariah next! Jason! Whoa! Okay, good luck. From mga bata mo te, yan na kayo na? Yan inay? Oo. Tapos ito na mahadlok-hadlok mga bata ko man. Taasik mo.
Bisangin ba? Di pa picture lang. Oh, patindugan lang.
It's okay. Is it safe now?
Ma'am, sir, bawal. Ma'am, kaya ma'am.
Okay, good luck. Whoa! Yeah, you can fly now. Mariah, it's so high. Shout! Whoa! Grabe, kataasin na.
Buya na yan, buya na.
Oh! Oh! Wow! Oh my God! Wow! It's good! Whoa! That's good! Fly! Oh my God, so hot! Whoa! Mama! Mama Langging! You shout for your Jigo! Danke! It's okay, it's done. Oh. Good, yeah. My eyes. Yay!
Dong, ito na, maumanan horse, Dong.
O sige, next sa horsing. Or pwede hatag ko na kan sa ila. Kung siniganahan. Yay! It's good. Oh my. So how is it? Is it good? Yeah.
And try.
Oh no.
Why not?
Late.
A good feeling.
A good feeling. Oh my. Yeah, at least you experience from Philippines. Worth it. Worth it coming to Davao. Okay.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Whoa! Come on, horsey! Picture. Just like in jet ski, and now it's a horse. You want this, Jason? I'll buy a ticket.
Sarado na.
Oh, sir, yeah, it's at lunchtime. Later. They break for lunch. Okay. You hold tight. It might kick. Can I kick it? Run, horse! No! The run. Yeah. And Mariah will just take the ride. Let's hear it's so hard here.
Already low,
But the power bank's still full. Yeah, good.
yeah.
It could sustain the whole day. There's still a lot more fun in the city. Whoa! More round? Yeah, it's because it's beautiful. Run, horse, run! It's parking time. Okay, thank you. Come now. Whoa, 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 whoa! That's what I want. The horse will run. Diego and Papa and Mama, we need some drone. For Call of Duty. Oh, bye bye drone. Whoa.
Yes, yeah.
Wala kayo ba ni ila?
Yaon nga na this Medyo gani kay bagan flat ba sa good terrain may kalalaon laon pero di kay pa rin nalipot ako kayo in experience at bagan.
She remembers your mama every time she look at you.
Copyright.
Copyright of your mama.
Lagi. Yato sa ako pang laong sa lamo. Yato ako pang kuan sa lamo. Ayo, makaitom niya ang kachanis. Yato ako.
Sky view. Yeah. Entering SMC
Gamay na nila
Davao.
diferensya ng ini. Gadahon sa gud ako ng ini. Yaon kay maila sa promo na kuan. Pila dayat do? Lesser da kadayo 39,000 daan down payment. Pero magbuwan ka lagi isap ng 40 ka pin. Ang dako.
Entering SM. Oh. SM Lanang. SM Lanang na tayo.
Ang panty sa gud ako kay
Oh shit.
lalaong din sa kanila.
Forever 21. Mariah, yours Forever 21. Forever 21 Highland. Binan Eastern. Here's in SM Lana Premier. Kaya ba kanya ni wheelchair?
Kagani ato siya kasaktin.
Oo, maguyod-guyod kita.
Taba. Baktama.
Hindi, kay para ka mag-uraray lang.
Ati.
Kaya pa ito ni ante. Hinahinay lang kita. Swim.
For you. Ay, ako ba?
Yeah. Go, go, go. Kuya Jay. Kuya Josh.
Ni, ana, susalamin mo lang mo eh.
Lagi paandar mo pa nila mga fountain. Ito tingin nga di. Ya ka-off lang. Dome siguro.
Dancing fountain.
Oo. Dali anti kay pasui.
Sigla ka ni mo.
Oo. Yari ka entrance na mapa tignaw na nga di. Oh, yung ko nga nasabi doon. Kay damoy ibang tao. Let kay gipanggutom na yun eh. Sila. Una iyo, what's your order? Forever 21.
Come here, come sit, come sit.
You have to look for it. You have a 250 here, a 2,000. Divino potato. Mother care. Ay, dahil na kultura, that is where your mama wants. It's a chat time. Ang sa iya sa gawas, wala sa ingan eh. Mag-drive through the country. Pag-order sa sakyan. Okay. Wow. Bahay Kubo. Durian, that's durian.
Picture gid ako sa durian.
You smell, Mariah? That smell is the fruit. Bagubo, yeah. One, two, shoot. Okay. Where are they? Here. It's a good Ata tribe. These are old houses. The end. And so, whoa.
Isa nilangga. Kanila. Ilan man nila?
But same instrument.
Yeah, they use the same instrument. Just
Pulling.
so this is dato.
Selfie tayo natin.
Siya yung nagpa-play ng normally pag may guest sa Kaligawan or any event here.
Famous
he is
for
being hired.
Yeah,
Dato
good.
yung talaga. Hi. Very good. Happy birthday.
Whoa. Oh, si Ramon magsaysay. Ikaw na ay ka to, Uban. Uban, souvenir daw sa kanila. Welcome to Magsaysay Park here in Davao. And here's our park. Huh?
So fun.
Yeah, the problem is Philippines hot.
More fun than the Philippines.
It's more
Er hat zu dir geschrieben, denk nicht.
the Chinatown, that's meaning fresh buko candy. Durian fresh candy. Kininig, yung sabay mo tindahan.
Er macht Auto auf uns, oder auf dich. Er macht Auto auf mich.
The Chinatown, that's meaning fresh buko candy. Durian fresh candy. Kininig, yung sabay mo tindahan.
Er macht Auto auf uns, oder auf dich. Er macht Auto auf mich.
Oh, what's the taste, Jason?
Yeah.
Is it good?
They have love.
Whoa! Mariah's turn! Wow! Sweet! Yeah, it's sweet.
Hier sind 2 Stücke.
Ah, there's, you can use the cellophane, na, ayaw mo talaga idiwan.
Hindi sa lumugwa.
Biraha. Tirining birahin na si Auntie.
Birahin. Birahin.
Kuya. Go, glad.
Naglab, singkot kita.
Okay. Good. Will, kauna.
Yung picture na. Mahal din.
Si Bibi, dali na. Kaya nga no sa?
Sila ba yan?
100 ang kilo is kay kuan. Araw lang.
Lagi. Ay, so. Ay,
Yung balakang
sorry.
kay... Ano ba yan?
Ilang kilo, Brad?
Ilang kilo ninyo, sir?
100 ra.
Dati.
Pa,
Ning, dali ning.
rapdaan.
Ready? Wala, sama ingkod.
Ito, ngayon ko na ko lang may picture ah.
Butang, kana lang sa dugang lang ni. Unsa ni puyat?
Yes, ma'am. Orange.
Oh, di ba?
your smile.
Iba-iba. Oh,
Tol, wapo kay Tol. Liwat na to.
Wow.
Challenge. Unsa ni
Mariah, you have to try again.
Nice price.
Yeah.
dili ni magtukay ba sa pila ka pagatian ani?
Pila mo ka mo? 2, 4, 6, 7. Walo to sinilin.